much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
After years of trial and error in the kitchen, we found that the best way to prepare Brussels sprouts is to throw them away and order pizza.
RCK 89.5 FM
rocks.
Hi, we are the students of Westfield International School, and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. But before that, speaking of Treasure Amusement Corporation and the Bingo Pot, they will be having the grand raffle draw tomorrow na. Bukas na po. Alright, August 31. Are you excited? Naku, malapit na. August 31 is the grand raffle draw for the Hooray for Rainy Days promo. And yung mga maswerteng mabubunot will win appliances, sacks of rice, and of course, cash. As much as 10,000 pesos in the raffle draw, huh? Okay, Hooray for Rainy Days promo tomorrow starting at 7 p.m. at Bingo Pot in Magsaysay. So you guys may come over if you wanna be part of the raffle draw, gusto nyo ma-witness. Pero pwede pang sumali, okay? Kasi August 30 pa rin eh. 31 yung grand raffle draw. So visit Bingo Pot now para makasali kayo sa paraffle. Alright? Okay. And here's the latest piece of news for you. Philippine Fleet kicks off unilateral exercises in the Subic town, Zambales. The Philippine Fleet has kicked off the unilateral exercises at the Naval Operating Base. According to Acting Commander, Offshore Combat Force Captain Joselito de Guzman of the Philippine Navy, this is the second iteration of the PF's unilateral exercises that aims to test and enhance the interoperability between offshore combat forces' capital ships. He added that the BRP Jose Rizal, BRP Antonio Luna, and the fleet's air assets such as AW159 helicopter and Beechcraft TC-90 will take part in the said exercises. He added that unlike the previous exercise, this year's focus is on the in-depth naval warfare operations. The training activity is divided into two phases, the harbor phase and the sea phase. The harbor phase focused on planning, training, discussions, and subject matter experts' lectures. The sea phase, on the other hand, is packed with numerous serials that are designed to simulate various scenarios that demand quick thinking, precision, and cooperation among all units involved. All right, so there you have it. The latest from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. The Philippine Fleet, or aka Philippine Navy, kicked off the unilateral exercises in the town of Subic. All right. And here are the September highlights for you. Events that will be happening in the Subic Bay Freeport for September. September 3, the eGov Philippine launch, e-government that is, by the Department of Information and Communications Technology, or DICT. September 4 to 6 is SBMA Ecology's BI Dagat Forum and Coastal Cleanup. September 6, Lyceum of Subic Bay will be having their acquaintance party here at the Subic Bay Freeport. September 7, Fun Run of Philippine Red Cross Olongapo City Chapter. Sa mga gustong sumali, visit the Facebook page of the Philippine Red Cross. Alright? Visit that page, the Fun Run. And Super Series PH, Sundown Shakedown. Anniversary of the Catholics for Family and Life, September 7 to 8. And 11 to 27, we will be having series of events in celebration of National Tourism Month here at the Subic Bay Freeport, spearheaded, of course, by SBMA Tourism Department. September 19, Securities and Exchange Commission's Roadshow on Capital Formation for MSMEs and Startups. September 20th, the SBMA 11th Loyalty and Employee of the Year Awards ceremony. September 28th, Audax Ride by Audax Randonneurs Philippines. And lastly, September 28th, Kresk Incorporated will be having their Family Day celebration. Okay? So those are the September highlights for you. All right? So you may, some of the events you may join, of course, like the fun run from the Philippine Red Cross and a whole lot more, okay? And also a couple of invites here coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. As you guys all know, today, August 30, day 1 of the 3-day sale happening at SM City Olongapo Central. Sa Central po ha, the one at the Marikit Park. Ayan, okay? August 30 to September 1. 3-day sale of SM Central. Get the chance to win a brand new Suzuki Bergman Street Scooter and up to 70% off on great finds, okay? With store hours from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Longer shopping hours for you. And the Big Bag Sale is ongoing. Last day tomorrow up until August 31. Big Bag Sale up to 50% off on big bags. Last day tomorrow. Hurry. All right. And the Women's Denim Sale. Last day today. Up until August 30 lang ang Women's Denim Sale. Up to 50% off on Women's Denim at the SM Store. Also at the SM Store is the Babies Wear Sale. Up to 50% off on special deals. Free baby bib also. Last day August 31 tomorrow. And also, last day din tomorrow of the Cyber Zone. The whole month of August to itong Cyber Zone. Okay? Tech and gadget sale and a whole lot more. So, mag-e-end na bukas the Cyber Zone August for you. Sunday Mass happening at the ground level every Sunday, of course, of SM City Olongapo Central, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Ground level again near Starbucks. And last day also tomorrow, no, not tomorrow, on September 1. Up until September 1 is the SM Home Amazing August Home Sale, up to 50% off on August on SM Home. And lastly, the lineup of movies for you. All right, the SM Cinemas has a Horror Fest special for you. It's called August Ghost pala. Oh, Ghost. You get what they mean? August and then Ghost. Yeah. Oh, Ghost. Exclusives. Tapos ang ticket, 150 pesos only. Murang-mura, no? 3 special Oh, Ghost exclusive movies for you. No, not 3. 4. Ayan. This runs August 28 to September 3. Okay? So let me give you the lineup of movies para alam ninyo, no? Okay? Let me give you the complete lineup na rin of the movies now showing at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Kasama yung Oh, Ghost! Exclusives. Alright, for Cinema 1 of SM City Olongapo Central Cinema. Unhappy for You. Cinema 2, Mystery Writers. Ayan, nasa Cinema 2 yung mga Oh, Ghost exclusives. Ayan, starting up with Mystery Writers, Haunted Universities, Z-Mom, aka Zombie Mom, and The Cursed Land. Ayan, all at Cinema 2. Alright? 150 pesos lang again ang ticket, huh? Cinema 3, Love Child, back-to-back with Real Life Fiction. Cinema 4, Look Back, back-to-back with A Legend. Alright? Cinema 5, Pagtatag. Alright, the SB19 documentary. Cinema 6, Alien Romulus, back-to-back with Voice of Shadow. And for SM Downtown, nasa Cinema 1 naman yung Oh, Ghost exclusives. At Cinema 1 actually. Mystery Writers, Z-Mom, Haunted Universities, and Cursed Land. Again, 150 lang ang ticket. And Cinema 2, Unhappy for You. Cinema 3, Look Back, back-to-back with SB19, ang Pagtatag, the documentary. Alright, so there you have it, the lineup of movies for you. Buy your tickets now and see you at the cinemas. Alright? And as I told you guys a while ago, dahil last day na ng Sam's Pizza Payday Sale Radio Contest, dalawa yung winner natin. Okay? So we need a second caller. Alright? Call me now and you will get the chance to win a 12 inches pizza na may dalawang flavor at Sam's Pizza for the Payday Sale tomorrow. Okay? 0910-6909-501. That's the number to call. 0910-6909-501. And if you call right now, I will answer the phone. Ayan, we have somebody calling. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello po.
Yes, naririnig.
Tom.
Yes po, naririnig mo po ako?
Opo.
Yan. Sali ka sa radio contest, ano?
Opo, tala ko, sir.
Okay, sir. Ano yung pangalan mo muna? I need to get your full name.
Joseph Ignacio Antonio.
Joseph Ignacio Antonio. Parang tunog artista yung pangalan, pare ah. Tunog gwapo, pangalan pa lang. Okay.
Ano po ba yung, ano nyo, sir?
Ha?
Ano po ba yung paano nyo ngayon today?
Yung Sam's Pizza Payday Special. Ayan, before I declare you the winner, syempre, kailangan sagutin mo yung mga tanong. Ready ka na ba, pare ko? Ready ka na?
Sige, sir.
Oh,
Try
sige.
ko po.
Ready ka na, ha? Unang tanong. Here's question number 1. Naalala mo nung yung panahon ng French Revolution, 'di ba? Sinakop ni Napoleon Bonaparte yung halos kalahati ng mundo, 'di ba? Wala namang kinalaman 'yon. Joke lang. Ito talaga yung unang tanong. Ano yung title ng promo ng Sam's? Ano yung title?
Payday sale at Sam's Pizza.
Ba, parang advertisement pare ah. Payday sale at Sam's Pizza. Alright. Kailan magaganap to pare ko? Question number 2. Kailan magaganap?
Tomorrow, sir. Saturday, August 31.
Yes, you got it right. Oo, tomorrow, Saturday. Ayan. Kaya kung mananalo ka, bukas din ang claiming mo doon sa Sam's Pizza Magsaysay, ha?
Wow.
Ayan. Tapos, applicable tong promo na to sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Magiging ongoing din siya bukas sa Sam's Barreto tsaka Sam's Castillejo. So, yun. Okay. Uy, malapit ka na. You're almost there. Question number 3. Paano yung promo? Sige nga.
I think get 2-in-1 flavor on 12 inches family size for only $299 and save up to 279 pesos, sir.
Wow! Ang mura, no? $299 tapos dalawang flavor. 12 inches pizza. Yan, you're almost there. Tapos yung question number 4 ko sa'yo, di ba, 2-in-1 yan, di ba? Ano-ano yung mga flavor na pwedeng pagpilian na magkaka-combine? Ano yung mga flavor na yon?
Choose from 4 delicious flavor.
Okay.
Pepperoni and beef mushroom pizza.
Okay.
Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom pizza.
Okay. Pangatlo.
Pepperoni and cheesy bacon mushroom pizza.
Last but not the least.
Hawaiian and beef mushroom pizza, sir.
Yeah! You got it right! Yan yung apat na na combination, Tapos pare ko, kung ikaw pipiliin, anong combination dyan yung gusto mo?
Hawaiian, sir. Hawaiian and beef mushroom pizza. Yung pang-apat.
Hawaiian and beef mushroom. Wow! Naiba ha? Usually kasi pag lalaki yung nananalo, pag tinanong ko pare kung ano yung flavor na pipiliin, hindi nawawala yung sa pili nila, laging pepperoni. Pag lalaki. O at least sa'yo naiba sa'yo, no? Hawaiian and Tapos lastly, may special offer pa para sa VIP card. Paano yon? Sige nga.
I think, sir, just add 99 pesos for VIP card and enjoy up to 20% discount on your next visit.
Ayun! Alright, you got all 5 questions correct. Congratulations to you. You're the winner! Alright. Tapos in addition, yung VIP card na yun, pag binayaran mo yun, 99 pesos lang, yung 20% discount, every time na bibili ka doon, pwedeng dine-in, pwedeng take-out, may 20% discount ka lagi. Wow, how awesome is that, ha? Alright. Tapos, ano yung birthday month mo, pare Koy?
March pa, sir, eh.
Tuwing March, meron kang isang free pizza. Pag birthday month mo. Pag meron kang VIP card, yun. Okay, so avail mo na yung VIP card, ha? Alright, so congratulations to you, pare Koy. You may claim your pizza tomorrow. Don't forget to bring your ID, ha? Dahil ipo-forward ko yung pangalan mo, eh. Ano nga ulit? Joseph Antonio. Ayan.
Okay,
So bring your ID, claim mo bukas sa Sam's Pizza Magsaysay. Alright? Wag mong kakalimutan ng ID mo. Ayan, may mga gusto ka i-greet pare ko, wag mong babatiin, greet lang.
Kumusta po kayo diyan?
Walang pangalan. si Mahal, batiin mo si Mahal.
Kumusta ka diyan, Mahal? Ganito palagi.
Okay, pare ko, congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, bye-bye. Ayan. Okay, there you have it. Our second winner today, Joseph Ano ba yung pangalan niya? Joseph Antonio. There you go. Alright. Second winner na. Aha. So, wala nang pangatlo kasi claiming na bukas no? Bukas na po. Don't forget. The Sam's Pizza Payday Sale Special, August 31, Saturday, tomorrow. Okay. And I wanna give a big shout out din kay Ate Olivia. Ayan. Si Ate Olivia Arellano. Or some call her Via Arellano. Alright. Ng Wawas Junior dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. Nakikinig siya lagi, no? Ayan. Masayang pakikinig sa'yo, Ate V. Arellano, ha? Alright. Sana makabenta ng marami. Para happy si Sir Mark. Ayan. Happy listening sa inyo dyan, everybody at Wawas. Pati na rin yung mga namimili right now. Ayan. Okay? And let me press play on the next Call Friday Rewind requested song. We'll go back to 1989 with this song. Music coming from Sonia from the UK. This is You'll Never Stop Me From Loving You, 895 Subic Bay Radio.